Today on this video I'm going to fit the BMW Z3 original bull bars, or roof bars, sorry, roof bars, not bull bars, thinking of front end there, roof bars. Now somebody on a previous video said it can't be done, they said don't bother buying it, but if you buy the full kit, the proper kit, you can do it. Obviously you can't buy it brand new, you probably can. But it's better to get it from a second-hand car because then you can get all the bits off and get exactly what you want. So I'm going to show you in the video, in the photo, on what I'm fitting and what we're going to do to this car. So the first thing you need to do is get all the caps off of here. Get all these little caps off of here. That's where there was a wind deflector. I've taken it out. Obviously an aftermarket one. And then you've got to undo the bolts inside there as well. Bolts down the back of there, and yeah, so that's where I am so far. So let me get these done, get this centre panel off, and then I'll crack on with a bit more. So basically you undo a screw in there, 2 screws in there, this section comes off, then this is it here, but you need to get this off. That is supposed to be like that. So anyway, you unscrew it down there, so you feed this through here and then through there, and then take this all out, and then this basically lifts off the seat belt. So that's the plan. So we'll do that next. That's what it looks like with that bit off. Quite simple. 2 screws in there as well. You just pull that off and get in there. And then obviously once this is done, this comes off. Disconnect the speaker, which is there. Speaker, disconnect that. Got to take that all out and fit that in a new one. So yeah, that's kind of where we are. So that's where we are. But as you can see, I don't know, but these holes here could very well be this 2 here, could very well be the mounting bracket holes. I'm not too sure, but we'll find out, because I was planning to sort of drill them and fix them myself. But let's have a look. Just comes out, it's a screw there. Normally there is a screw in some of them there, but it wasn't in this one. 2 screws there, which we've shown. You unplug the speaker, so I've just got to take the speaker out now. So I've got to take that out, sort that out. Got to work out how that comes out. Yeah, it should be alright. So then we're left with this section now, which is there's the seat belt. So the seat belt's all there. So that's that. Sort that out in a bit. So that's where we are. So that all comes out like that. All your wires. I think that's for my speakers in the boot. So that's that. I think that's where it all connects up to, but we'll just find out and see. We'll put things down and see how it goes. But yeah, so far so good. So basically this is the part. So I've got to remove this. Now I don't know where this goes, whether there's another hole for this or whether it goes here or wherever it goes, I don't know. But the holes are there by the looks of it. So it's a case of just taking this off and let's see where it all goes. That might go there, I don't know, but let's just see. Right, so as you can see, the holes, everything's there for it. You don't need to fit it, you don't need to do anything. Like I say, if you get everything off the donor car, including the nuts and bolts, you're laughing. If you don't, then you can make yourself a little bit more of a difficult task, but not the end of the world. But yeah, so nuts and bolts are vital. So that's where we are so far. That's all been taken off. Now let's see what happens from then onwards. Right, so obviously I've put this all back now. This is all back on and in. Speakers, like I said, are slightly wrong, but that's okay. I can do an upgrade on them. I'm happy with that. That all goes in nicely. Seat belts all in. Strip the other side down and just repeated it. And I'm now just bolting that all down. So that's that already. So you have to do it in this order first. So you want to get this section in and then get that section in, and then you can put the middle in and everything else. So that's where we've actually got a beautiful day today. Can't believe it. You know, 2024, we finally got a bit of sun. Little bit too late than usual, but there we are. As you can see, everything goes in nicely. Slots in just right. So it's just about now getting the bolts on there, getting that bracket put in, and then we go from there, and then obviously we replicate on the other side. So yeah, that should be that. I have realised there is a slight problem, I think, with the speakers. Them speakers are bigger, where the other ones are smaller. but not a problem. They're not the best of speakers, so that's just a very small issue that we can always rectify by just getting a better upgraded set of speakers. Okay, so once you've got this side in, that side in, I've just got to tighten that bolt up. It's then it's time for a drink, basically, and then we just basically put the middle section on, screw that all down, and then we go from there. Okay, so basically that panel's in, all bolted down there, blah blah blah, screwed in there, all done. So that's all done now. So now basically it's put the caps on here, I think, next, and then we then put the bars on. So let me put them bits on first and then come back. Right, as you can see, it's now all in, all done, all done good and proper. Looks lovely. Speaker panels are all in. Everything works how it should do. Perfect. Sunglasses can go back in there now. Absolutely perfect. So now I'm just going to put the plastic film on the back. Was it an hard job? No, probably a really easy job, and I quite enjoyed it. Just a little bit hot. The sun just on me. If it was done in the shade, it'd be a bit better, but let's not complain because we've not had much hot weather. So, but yeah, I think that really adds a lot to the car. Makes it look really, really nice. Boots open because we're doing something else as well on the car with the spare wheel and that. But there we are. Let me put the back on. There we are. As you can see, she looks a lot better now. Now I've got the glass fitted on the back. Just gives it that better effect. A lot better. So she's up on the jack at the moment. We're just doing some work on the calipers in there. As you can see, she's pretty a clean one. This is where they normally rot here in the wheel arch, on the underneath on here, and obviously down on the sills they rot as well. But she's in good condition. This one, nice and clean. She's not bad.